Hey y'all, it's Mojo with your math challenge problem for Thursday. Shout out to everybody watching this the night before. Shout out to Miss Park for sending this over, and shout out to Miss John for already solving it. The only 5th grade math teacher, and honestly only math teacher I know who has solved it. It's called the wolves and sheep problem. It's very famous, and honestly it's super awesome and exciting. You need to place 5 wolves and 3 sheep into this 5x5 grid so that all 3 sheep are safe from the 5 wolves. Only one animal can occupy a square unit. I'll show you what I mean. A wolf can move vertically, horizontally, or diagonally as many spaces as it wants. Basically, a wolf is like the queen in a game of chess. A sheep cannot move. Sad for the sheep, I know. So here's an example, right? You got the 5 wolves and you got the 3 sheep, right? And like I said, they can only go on one space themselves, so you can't do something like this where both are together, right? So let's say you're starting small with just 1 wolf and 1 sheep, because I would always start small and add on as you go, right? If you put a sheep there, right, you cannot put a wolf here, because the wolf, as you know, can attack horizontally, boom, horizontally, eating it. Or here, boom, horizontally, eating it. Or here, boom, horizontally, eating it. Or here, same thing, eating it. Same thing, you can't put the wolf here, because vertically, boom, gonna eat it. Or here, boom, gonna eat it. Or here, boom, gonna eat it. Or even here, boom, gonna eat it. You might even think, oh, I'll place the wolf here, the sheep will be fine. Nope, because the wolf can go diagonally and boom, the wolf will still eat the sheep there. Or if it's there, it'll still go diagonally and eat it. Or if it's even here, it'll go diagonally and eat it, right? You could say, you know what, I'll put the wolf here. And here, this sheep is fine, right? Because if the wolf moves this way, can't eat it. If the wolf moves this way, you're good. If the wolf moves up and down, right, you're good. And if the wolf moves diagonally, can't get it there, right? Can't get it there, and it can't get it there. So here, with 1 wolf and 1 sheep, that sheep is safe. And again, start small. Let's try to add another sheep in, right? Well, what about if I add a sheep over here? Now I'm looking good, right? This wolf goes up, can't get it. The wolf goes across, can't get it. The wolf goes diagonally, right? Can't get it. So right now, I have 2 sheep on and 1 wolf, and I am good. It gets harder as you add more wolves, and as you add that 3rd sheep, right, it really does get hard. Then you're like, all right, I'm going to add another wolf. Well, let's add one here, right? Well, let's see what happens. Did anything change? Goes up? Nope, can't get it. Goes diagonal? No, close, can't get it. Goes across? Still can't get it. Goes diagonal? Can't get that one. Close, but can't. So right now, you actually have 2 wolves and 2 sheep on, and they're both safe. Both those sheep are safe. Your goal is, again, to add another sheep on, right? And to add all 3 wolves on. I would, again, start small and add on more and more and more, right? You want to start small. I think that's easier. You can decide whether you want to add more wolves to start or more sheep. But if you can figure out a way to add all 5 wolves and all 3 sheep so the wolves are not killing the sheep, you have done something that I could not do. I literally sat one night on a Friday night for like 2 hours. I could not figure it out. But Miss John, she figured it out. Respect to her. And respect to you and anyone else who tries. All right. See you tomorrow.